Hey guys, today's butchering day and we're going to start moving these chickens into the Ranger here. We'll take about 25 at a time, take them up to the butchering station, and then we'll show you what's going on. So this is our setup. We got the chickens here, and then the killing cones here. Once they've been hanging for a while, you scald them in here. And then from there, they go to this plucker. And from the plucker, they go here to the gutting table. We spray them off, put all the insides in here, and then they go into this ice water bath to chill. So we're just finishing up our batch, first batch of 25, and they're all chilling in ice water right now. We got whole chickens in here, chickens that we're gonna cut up in here, and that one's not quite full yet. But we're about to go and get the next batch of 25. Alright, so we just finished up. We ended up doing about 72 chickens in a little over 5 hours. So it's not too bad. Here's what we ended up with. all the chicken. And we're about to go vacuum seal these up. Some of them will be cut up into pieces, and most of them will be whole birds. So we finished up with the chicken processing, and this is the final product. We ended up with about 40 whole birds and a little over 30 cut up birds, which we cut into boneless, skinless chicken breasts, tenders, leg and thigh combos, and wings. It took us about 5 hours to do the actual processing, but it ended up being about an all-day event with cutting up the chickens, setting up, and tearing down the whole setup. We ended up with about 400 pounds of chicken, and it only ended up costing us a little over $300. If you're going to make one big investment in the actual processing tools, I would highly recommend investing in a chicken plucker. This cuts down on your processing time by a ton. The first time I did chickens, it took me 20 minutes to pluck them by hand, and now it only takes about 15 seconds with this chicken plucker. So I would highly recommend, if you're going to get one tool, get a chicken plucker. In a future video, I plan on doing a more in-depth review on this chicken plucker, so stay tuned for that. I hope you've enjoyed the meat chicken videos as much as I've enjoyed the process of raising these chickens. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, or series like this one, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.